Greetings everybody. I am Shujat Ali from Medico's Lectures by Shujat, and today we are going to talk about the anatomy of gallbladder, and we are going in complete detail of that. So let's first of all talk about the parts of gallbladder. So it have basically three main parts. This portion is fundus of gallbladder. This portion we know it as body of gallbladder, and this portion right here is neck of gallbladder. And from here, cystic duct and common hepatic duct and biliary duct, common bile ducts are going to be passed in body. Gallbladder has several functions. It is a pear-shaped hollow structure located under the liver on the right side of abdomen. Primary function is to store and concentrate bile. Gallbladder is basically a part of biliary tract, and when we dissect gallbladder, when we cut, we see the bile pigment. You can see its color. It is basically a greenish yellowish color. So when we cut it, yes, you can exactly see now. This is greenish yellowish color. So that greenish yellowish color, it is basically due to the presence of carotene, xanthophyll and other biliary pigments. So gallbladder, as we talk about its location, its presence, we now talk about the functions of gall and bile pigment. Now this greenish yellowish color bile pigment. So this bile pigment has its different functions. Bile is a fluid that is released by the liver, and it is going to be stored in gallbladder. It basically plays its role in digestion, and we say that this bile pigment is basically helping in digestion. It breaks down the fatty acids and then take them into the digestive tract. So one major function of this gallbladder and this bile pigment is breakdown of fatty acids, because its storage is liver and its main functioning point is our GI tract. So when we basically talk about the particular function of this gallbladder rather than that of this bile pigment, so the particular function of this gallbladder is that it is found in abdomen, and it basically store the bile, and bile is basically the pigment that gallbladder when we eat, it contracts, then it squeezes and send the bile to the digestive tract, and then that particular bile, this portion, this is going to help us in that of digestion. Physiology, we already discussed its physiology, that it is a pear-shaped organ. Right there you can clearly see its shape. It is a pear-shaped organ, and structure is located under the liver on the right side of abdomen, and it is basically, the gallbladder is a part of biliary tract, and it is basically our lecture on gallbladder. Hope you all understand it well. Don't forget to subscribe Medico's Lectures by Shujat. Thank you so much.